Hey, what's up everybody? This is Justin with Rayne-Storm Roofing. We're doing a quick roof repair here today. Come up here and check it out. Alright, so the first thing always, you want to be safe. Make sure you're wearing your harnesses if you're going up on a roof. Make sure your ladder's in a good spot. You're not going to fall. Let's go check this out.
Yeah.
So here's what we're doing today. You can see we've got a leak here on the roof. You can see where it started to rot away the wood underneath the covering of the front porch. And the leak's right up here in the valley, so we'll get up there and take a look. Alright, I'm here with David. He's going to help us get this repair done today. You can see we're right here in the valley. We're going to start removing some of these shingles. Seal, and then removing those the nails on those individual.
Okay.
All right, so we went ahead and removed the shingles from this area in the valley here. We've got the ice and water shield and the felt exposed, and then we cut that back and we've got some of the OSB exposed here too. You can see on this slope over here, it's got new OSB installed. Over here, we've still got some old space decking. So that our leak was right down here in the valley. So we're gonna go ahead and install some new valley metal here, put new ice and water shield on top of that, and then go ahead and re-shingle back over this area. All right, we've got our metal valleys installed here. You can see we've got a nice crease in the middle here. It'll make it nice and easy to install our ice and water and our new shingles. So you can see that our ice and water shield is installed in the valley. We've got it tucked up underneath our head flashing as well as our step flashing that runs up the wall here. We'll talk about that a little bit more in the next video. All right, thanks for following along with us today. Hope everybody learned something. Go ahead and follow us and subscribe to the next video.
Details make the difference.